Hi, Lee Phillips here. Today we're going to talk about putting LLC property into a trust. So all of the gurus in the real estate investment world say, oh, your LLC needs to own a piece of investment property, or your piece of investment property has to be owned by an LLC. And people are setting up 20 LLCs. Well, the other gurus are saying, oh, you have to put the property into a living revocable trust so that it's not probated when you die. So the question is, if I have my rental property in an LLC, how do I get it into a living revocable trust so that it doesn't avoid probate? And this whole conversation is a misnomer, stupid, I don't know, because you do not put the property that the LLC owns into the trust. You put the LLC into the trust. And I've just done a YouTube video, same shirt, on putting LLCs in corporations into trusts. So go back and look at that one. But the point that people are missing is, when I put the LLC into the trust, then that doesn't have to be probated. The company doesn't have to be probated. And by default, that means that all of the assets within the company don't have to be probated. The company continues to own the rental unit. So if I can take control of the company after dad dies without having to go through probate, then I have control of all of the assets. This is going to be a short YouTube video, because if you get the concept, you get it. You're not putting the property of the LLC or the corporation into the trust. You're putting the LLC or the corporation into the trust itself. So the company itself is owned by the trust, not the specific assets of the company. Now, I've got a ebook. It's $19.99. I'll give it to you for free. Just email info, INFO, at legalese, LEGALEES.com, and just say, send me a YouTube video, send me the how to use a trust, and I'll get that email out to you so that you can expand how to use your living revocable trust, and you'll have a reference that you can look back at and see what you're doing. So give us a subscribe and a like, and don't forget to order the ebook. Lee Phillips talking about putting LLC corporation property into a trust. No, we're putting the LLC and the corporation itself into the trust.